guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got something super exciting and I kind of wanted to show you guys in a quick little video. So I got this box from Target. It's the Define and Shine Beauty Box. They're now selling this in store. It is $7. This is the hair one for, I guess I'm gonna say natural hair. They have a makeup one, a mask one like for your face, and then a youthful one. I don't like, it has like masks and like little bitty stuff. So this box has 6 different products in it. It has the Jane Carter Curls to Go Untangle Me, and it lists the ingredients: Camille Rose Natural Aloe Whip Butter Gel, Camille Rose Naturals Almond J Twisted Butter, which I already use, the TGIN Honey Mask, I think it's Michelle Organic Detangling Co-Wash, and then the Michelle Organic Babasu Oil Mint Deep Conditioner. So I definitely want to try these out, but I wanted to actually see if these are full size products or sample size. I believe they're sample size, but if they're full size, I will be really happy because it's only $7. So let's go ahead and put this. Okay, so it is sample size. We have a mini Almond J, Camille Rose Almond J Twist and Butter jar compared to the actual size, which I think is really cute. And this does, I like that. That's gonna last me a while. It is great for if I have to go out of town or something. I have this cute little jar. I like that. Oh, and it also comes with coupons. We get $1 off the Jane Carter hair care, and then $2 off any Michelle Organics hair care. Yes. And then it gives you a description of each. So I didn't see this, so I'm going to read this little card. It says, "Hello, hair goddess. If you're one of the lucky ladies blessed with natural curls, you also know the downside can be coarse, dry, frizzed out strands. Inside this box, you will find a few of our faves that'll give your mane the moisture, care, and attention it needs. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. So, the Jane Carter Curls to Go Untangle Me is a weightless leave-in conditioner that hydrates and controls curly cues, making it ideal for days when you want to wash and go. For styling, the Camille Rose Aloe Whip Butter Gel is hydrating fruit botanicals, provide intense moisture for a lightweight styling hold so your curls hang tight. It gives a little tip for it. Apply gel to hair, then twist small sections around your finger and scratch strands up. So I guess it is like an actual gel. So I may try that for a wash to go, but I don't think it's going to be enough for my hair. And then heavy duty moisture is the Camille Rose Twist and Butter, which I already love. I guess it says overnight. I guess you could use this overnight. It's the TGIN Honey Hair Mask. It's raw honey, moisturizes and strengthens damaged over processed hair, restoring strands so they look and feel softer, silkier, and shinier. Hint: if strands are especially dry, sleep in a hair mask. Simply apply to hair, cover with a shower cup, then rinse in the morning. Never really had a product that recommended you to use it overnight, so that's kind of cool. Substitute shampoo is the Michelle Organic Detangling Co-Wash. Organic oils and preservative gently cleanse and condition strands, leaving locks tangle free. Trend co-washing means skipping shampoo and relying solely on conditioner. Tilt co-washing sessions to keep hair from tangling and ensure an even distribution of co-wash throughout. And then we have the Michelle Organic Mint Deep Conditioner, and it says to use with shampoo. So fatty acids and natural oils help reduce frizz and flyaways. I think that's pretty cool. So here is the Camille Rose. The top was like on weird. The Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. So honestly, it smells like the almond J. Almond J. And it's really creamy. So, that'll be fun and interesting to use. It's very moisturizing. Like, my hands feel nice, like, just using that. So, that's cool. And I messed up my puff. But that's okay. Fix it and keep it moving. There we go. Next product. We have the Curls to Go Jane Carter solution. Can't really describe the smell, but that's kind of like the consistency. It's kind of, I don't know what it smells. And we got the co-wash, which this is definitely not going to be enough for my hair. Then the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. It's really creamy. It's gonna fall out. So I may try a lot of these products. And then we have this thing of deep conditioner, which I don't know what they're thinking, because this is not gonna last. Well, this is not even good for one use. Ooh, of my hair, like a deep conditioner session, because you know I'm heavy-handed with the products. But I think these containers are so cute. So these are all of the products. These are all of the products that came with the box, and I'm excited to use them all. So hopefully, once I decide what I'm doing to my hair, I'll include these in my next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope this is a quick video. I don't know how long this has lasted, but if you've tried this box or any of these products, please feel free to comment below and let me know what you think and how you use these products, and suggestions on how I should also use these products. And I will see you guys in the next video.